This is one of the most important videos if you are starting your preparation for GATE 2022. So for your preparation, if you are deciding to select an institute, if you are trying to select an online course for preparation, then there are two types of courses that are available in the market. First one is live classes and the second one is pre-recorded classes. So we have selected to deliver our classes in the pre-recorded format, and we have our reasons for it. But there are a lot of other institutes and a lot of other YouTube channels that are delivering lectures in the live format. So there are some drawbacks of the live classes and there are some benefits also. The same is true for the pre-recorded classes, but the drawbacks, if I talk about for live classes, those are much more. I mean, I'm not saying that on my own. We have actually conducted a poll and found out that about 70% of the students study using the recorded videos rather than the live classes. Even contrary to the popular opinion, they actually study using the pre-recorded videos. Even the students who have opted for live lectures, who have opted for live classes, they study the recorded version of those live classes rather than actually seeing those videos when they are delivered live. And there are reasons for it, and we have understood those reasons by talking to different students, and I want to tell you about those reasons. And obviously, as I said earlier, there are some benefits also for live classes. And in our new course, in the Premium Plus course, we have tried to incorporate the benefits of both the types of classes. So if I talk about the drawbacks of live classes here, so first one is that the time at which live classes are delivered. So if you have talked to your friends, then you would know that not all of you study at the same time. Maybe you are the kind of a person who likes to wake up till late night and use those hours for your study, but there may be some friends of yours who study in the early morning hours. Now live classes cannot be delivered at the time when you expect them to be delivered. So if you are choosing your time, then obviously you will be studying using the recorded version of those live classes. And the effectiveness of the recorded version of the live classes reduces because there are different pauses in those videos. If the instructor is talking to or replying to comments for that video, then that may take additional time and that may not be necessary for you. So actually the effectiveness of the live classes, it reduces if you are watching the recorded version of it. At the same time, when we record our lectures, then the only purpose of that lecture is to deliver the required concept of that topic and to deliver it in the minimum required time. We do not want to waste your time because time is very precious and we treat it that way. From your point of view, you do not have a lot of time. Even if you're starting your preparation now, it's not like you have an endless amount of time and you can spend as much time daily as you want. That is not the case. So to fulfill that gap, our lectures, if you have seen, if you have followed our videos, then you would have noticed that majority of the lectures never cross 30 minutes. And even in those 30 minutes, we try to deliver all the required concepts. It's not that we are missing out on concepts, but at the same time, we try to keep it very effective so that the concepts are delivered in a very short amount of time. Now, talking about the time, that is the second drawback that happens in live classes, because live classes are not short classes. If you have gone to an offline coaching or if you have talked to your friends who go to online coaching, then they spend about 6 to 8 hours in coaching classes. And in live classes also, if not 6 to 8 hours, 3 to 4 hours or 2 to 3 hours easily go in attending these live classes. And we we have a lot of students who can actually only give 3 to 4 hours for on a daily basis for their preparation. Now, if you think that if you're attending classes for 2 hours, you're actually learning, then that is not entirely true, because watching these videos, even if you're watching pre-recorded videos, even if you're watching live classes, this is just a part of learning, not the entire learning in itself. The learning, I mean, the most important part of the learning is reflecting on the ideas, reflecting on those concepts. So that reflecting happens when you actually spend your own time, when you study on your own rather than seeing any of the lectures. And when you are studying, solving the different questions and going through different problems. So this part is much more important actually compared to just watching the lectures, because in this part, when you're actually using your brain, you're trying to connect these dots, you'll have these different questions also. And this is when the actual learning happens. When you're seeing those live classes, you may not even get that great questions right away, because your focus is to understand that concept. So that is another problem associated with live classes, because if you're spending 2 hours, 3 hours or 4 hours in just watching these lectures, then you don't really have much time, or the time when you're really effective. It's not like, I mean, you can give more time, but if your best hours of the day when you're most active are just spent in watching these videos, then it's not going to be very effective, because after a month, after 15 days or max after 2 months, you will forget whatever you learned in those classes, because I'll tell you again that learning happens when you're reflecting upon these ideas rather than just consuming content. So that is another aspect, and that gives a big drawback to these live classes, because it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of daily time from your side. Now, the third question, as I told, the questions only come to your mind when you're studying on your own. I mean, majority of those questions, some questions can come when you're actually seeing the class itself, but a lot of questions come when you're studying at your own pace, when you're solving questions. So these questions cannot be answered in that live mode, because that class would have been over by the time you started solving questions. So that is another drawback. Now, if the live class is over, you cannot directly talk to that tutor about your doubts and all of that. So these were the main drawbacks of live classes. Now, to fulfill these gaps, we have our Premium Plus course. So it is the combination of pre-recorded classes plus one-on-one mentorship with us. So when you're watching these videos, you may get some doubts. So those doubts you can ask on the video itself in the discussion tab, and we'll be answering those doubts as quickly as possible. And still, if the concept is not clear to you, then we have these weekly one-on-one meetings with our mentors, and in these meetings you can clear your doubts. And that is just one part of the preparation. As I told, there are various questions that come to your mind when you're actually preparing. So you may be wondering, how much time should I spend on a particular subject? How important is one particular topic? Or if I study this topic now, how relevant it will be, or how many times should I revise it? And a lot of times you give tests, but analysis of your test is much more important than just giving the test. So what kind of mistakes you're committing? Is this a conceptual mistake, or you're taking too much time on a question? So these sort of questions will come to your mind when you're actually preparing. And to fulfill that gap, we have these weekly meetings with our mentors. We'll be guiding you all along your preparation throughout the year with our Premium Plus course. So this is the idea of this course, that you get to interact with us, but on one-on-one meeting, rather than in a place where some hundreds of students are there and all are asking their questions all at once, and it is just not possible for the tutor, for the educator to answer to all those people. So for the same reason, we have kept these one-on-one meetings on a weekly basis in our Premium Plus course. And if you are serious about your preparation, then you should definitely get it. We'll be helping you all throughout your preparation, and we'll be helping you in all the ways. If you have technical doubt, if you have any trouble in planning your preparation, and any sort of such problems if you face in your preparation, we'll be with you to help you throughout the journey till your GATE exam. And even after that, when the results come, if you have to prepare for interview, so interview assistance, and if you want to opt for a particular branch in institute, so for all those things will be available to you. So if you are interested in any of our courses in Premium Plus, in Premium course, or basic or individual subjects also, then you can drop us a mail, or you can contact with us with the number that is given in the description. And you can also download our app, you can check our website and get to know more about us.